Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to repair or reset any apps or softwares if it is not working properly. Go to settings. Under settings right, go to apps, and under settings right, go to apps. Under apps right, you need to search which application or software you want to fix it. So you need to enter that. I want to fix it Skype, which is not working properly. So click on Skype. Once you click on this right, you can see these advanced options. So here right, you can repair it if you want, or you can reset it. So I just want to reset it. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. So you can do the reset, or even you can repair it. Click on repair. So repair is done. Then you can launch the Skype. See, now this is working perfectly. So this is the way you can reset or repair your apps or softwares in your Windows 10 PC. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks and maybe comments. Thank you. Bye.